So, I've got the 2-litre 2011 Kia Cerato, which is quite a lovely car. Until you get in and you need to start it. You can see this key's taking a bit of a pounding, but the problem that I'm talking about has got nothing to do with the key having the hell turned out of it. So I'm sure some of you that are looking for advice on how to solve the problem when you put the key in and you turn it and all it does is turn the starter motor and nothing else. So I've just experienced the problem, and now I'm going to film exactly how you fix the problem. And it fixes the problem every single time. So put the key in, look over here on your instrument panel, turn the key, and you will notice that there should be a little key icon around about over there, but it's not illuminating. And when you turn the key, you can turn it forever because it's not going to start, and you're by this stage infuriated. So what you do is, and nobody at Kia, whenever I've had this problem, has told me how to fix it. So this is what I've done. You turn the key like so, okay, until the light comes on. And if it doesn't come on, take the key out, put it back in again, and voila! So even if you take the key out, it might not start immediately, but I think around about 10 times of just turning the key back and forth until it illuminates. If it doesn't, take the key out and put it back in again, and hopefully that'll reset, you know, the transponder. And then if it still doesn't work, just keep doing that, and eventually it will come back on.